Morning, folks.
Morning.
It's alright. Dry day.
Yeah. Dry day again.
Well, we did a shopping yesterday at Asda and
Quite busy, wasn't it?
it was busy. Didn't enjoy that.
No.
But we went to the, what do you call it? Money exchange.
Yeah. Got some
We
euros.
got some of these things. Yeah.
Some euros.
Oreos. I think Pat wants some.
I don't know.
She says, I want some money in my purse.
I didn't say it like that.
No. And I also
No.
got this. What do you call it? Travel card. Travel card where you to load it up. You load it up, put money on it to take with you, and you can use it in Europe to pay for things. You can withdraw cash from a cash machine with it, and you don't pay any fees. So good, got that. I got that from Asda as well. What's up?
Put it back in your wallet.
Well, that's it.
That was what we did.
That's get a bit step nearer.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I forgot Tracy's salt and pepper biscuits that she wanted to take with a mushroom patty.
Oh,
But I remembered the Bombay potato thing, so.
right. But it took me ages to sort all the finances out in the app where everything is and how I like it. Have to be on the ball.
Reconcile things.
Yeah. Don't have what the exchange rate is, I don't know.
Well, didn't you get
I did get a receipt, but I can't.
the 100 euros from 90 something pound?
89.
89.
I think it was 89 quid for 100 euros. 89.57 for 100 euros. I mean, you'll have to work that one out.
Sorry about machine, I thought it had finished before we did
Washing
this.
machine.
Yeah,
Oh, right.
just have got a pie.
Have you
About what?
got a lot to say? I haven't got much to say, really.
Well, I got all to say. No, I don't think I have really.
No.
Well, no, our Alethia's thinking of doing that, what is it, running with her friends from school. So apparently
Oh,
she
Otley.
breaks up on May the 10th, which is her 18th birthday. So her and her friends have decided that they're going to do the Otley run, which is like you run to one pub and then you run to the next one. But I mean, our Alethea doesn't really drink. She's had an odd one or two, wasn't she?
It's... Oh,
But apparently you can drink non-alcoholic drinks. when
they all
you go
finish
to
up in
these.
Headingley, stoned out of their heads,
Most of them do, yeah.
causing a...
A riot.
Uh,
They get dressed up as bananas and strawberries and all sorts, don't
I
they?
suppose you need to be young, don't you?
Yeah, it's just a young, fun
young
thing to do.
Yeah.
See, I mean, most of her friends are 18 now anyway.
Yeah,
There were, I think she's
last.
the last, because they were all 18 last year and beginning of this year, weren't they?
Mm. Yeah.
So that should be fun for her. How she'll get on there, I don't know. Because she's not a runner.
Yeah, and poor old Mick did have COVID, so
Yeah,
we were hoping to meet up this week, but we can't afford to risk it
no,
when we're going away.
no,
So we're going to have to leave it till we get back.
be better. It'll be better. I don't know, is it March when he's...
May, when he goes.
May when he's going on that trip. Isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah. Funnily enough, to Amsterdam.
Yeah,
Yeah.
funny.
It's a lot of traffic, that place, I bet.
Ah, yeah, I bet it does. Yeah. Interesting.
What are you doing today, Pat?
Me,
anything-
I've got some washing to do, and then you got to hang it up, haven't you? Want to give Ernie a bath. I got him some strawberries. I'll give him a strawberry, a treat. I don't know. I haven't got what else in mind really.
No.
I could pick up 101 things, I think.
Good. That's Ernie knocking about,
Yeah,
walking around kitchen.
yeah. He likes to try to get up the steps, don't he? To other bit.
Yeah. There he is. Oh, Ernie, you're on candid camera.
Sorry about that. Got an itchy eye.
So there we are, folks.
Got a bit bellyache last night, didn't you, again?
Yeah, I did. You know,
I think it's a bit of stress.
no,
No?
no, I was walking up, when I get these bellyaches, I have to walk up and down corridor. I said to Leafy, she was in her room, I said to her, do you think they'll let me walk up and down plane like this? She says, no, they won't. I said, do you think it'll go like that?
You were walking up and down.
I was walking up and down corridor. And, I'm getting this froth
Oh, were you?
coming up. Yeah,
We haven't had that for a while.
I've never had that, to my knowledge. Yeah, froth. I don't know whether it's, I don't know. I can never pin it down to anything specific.
No.
I mean, we only had egg and chips.
For tea, yeah.
Yeah. Had a couple of them gluten-free Jaffa cakes.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Oh, you had a few. Didn't you have some
Prawn crackers.
prawn crackers? Oh, you didn't
No.
last night?
No, I didn't.
Right.
I don't know.
I don't know either.
I even took a Bicidol and it didn't.
Didn't it do it?
Even after taking Bicidol, that froth was.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
I know you used to. We tried at one time buying these tins of curry sauce stuff, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Like a curry sauce. And they used to make you froth.
No, it wasn't.
Like-
No, it wasn't that. Them. It was. It was. You know, what it Morrison's. You buy a bag and it's got it dine in, it says, and it had I think there were 2 curries and rice, poppadoms or something. It was
A bag.
it was in a
Box.
brown paper bag.
Oh,
It was dine in called or something, and it was a meal, a curry.
right.
Curry meal. Well, that.
Oh, what it that?
Uh,
Oh, I thought
made
it
me
was.
salivate. I couldn't stop. After I'd eat it, I was just salivating all the time. Were incredible.
Yeah, I don't know then.
I never bought another one of them.
No.
When Patak first came on the scene with them that curry in a tin, it was really authentic.
Mm.
I thought it was brilliant. I actually bought a Balti curry in a bag from Asda. Never tried it before. I looked at ingredients and they were
It was all
Oh.
we put, spices we put
yeah,
in, wasn't
all right, yeah.
it? Yeah.
So I thought, oh, well, have a look at it.
Yeah. I think it were all right.
God knows what that'll do to me.
Mm.
Nowadays, it's a Russian roulette
Yeah.
every time I eat.
Never know, do you?
No. But that's about all I can tell you, folks.
What have you got planned for today then?
Absolutely nothing. I need to have
There's a song with that in there.
absolutely nothing. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I can hear it.
Yeah.
I don't know who sang it. Quite a hard rock.
I'm going. Yeah.
You going what?
Going to check my bag. How's Hard Rock go?
You're going to check your bag? You mean your bag of clothes?
Yeah, have a look and see what I've got in that and what.
If there's what else you
Did
can
you
get
bring
in.
my jumper and stuff down here? No. Oh, I brought it down and you don't bloody wash. Oh,
No, I've got another pile there. That were already full to put on this morning.
Oh,
that.
How did I not see it on table? I put it on table
Oh, you'd have
to bring down with me.
Well, it's all right. I haven't put it on. I've got that to take out and then that to put in. That's what I said. I needed to put that on early because I've got another pile from Alethea and
It's not from me.
yes. No, our washing's very minimal.
Minimal. It's everybody else. Wears everything once. Yeah, we're very primitive we are. We haven't gone with the world.
No. I mean, I've got all clean on this morning, but
I have.
yeah, you got your other jumper on, haven't you?
Another t-shirt.
T-shirt. I saw that out on bed this morning. Yeah. Well, the sun's shining. Well, I don't know what we've got to say now. Have you got anything else to say, darling?
We've had a lot of rain and it hasn't leaked on the van. It's all right.
Oh, good.
Went up to supermarket, innit?
Yeah, yesterday.
Yeah. All right, folks. We'll see you tomorrow. I don't know whether I'll have hope to say tomorrow.
We'll try and think of something.
Bye, folks.
Bye.
Bye.